Hey, what's good? It's your boy CBK. I'm back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Hey, today we reacting to Today we reacting to car crash compilation and driving fails 2020. Now, I was on YouTube, just chilling one day on my phone, and I seen like car crash, and I was like, man, I like to drive. Okay, so look, I don't drive fast. I drive fast, but I drive safe. You know what I'm saying? If it's like OD cars, I'm not gonna like swerve my way through. But if it's like a bunch of space where I know like I have time to react to do something, then I have to do it. But I'm not gonna take no like risk. You know what I'm saying? Like some people I know. But you know what I'm saying? I want to see. So I was watching that car crash video, and I was like, dang, I really do stuff that these people doing. But like I'm more safe about it. And I low key be getting scared. I be having nightmares about this. It's this same nightmare too. I'm at my middle school. I'm leaving the school, and it's like this little turn where you have to like go around, and you gotta stop right there. And like there's a road that go from the school. It's like I don't know, but if you keep going, you're gonna run into a ditch. And it's like it keep replaying that I'm going around fast, and I'm pressing the brake, but it's not stopping. So then I just run into the ditch. But as soon as I'm like, say this the ditch, as soon as I go, so I get right here, I wake up. Like, it happens so many times. That's really what I get scared of, like, going faster than not being able to stop when I need to. So, like, then I got a speeding ticket, so I'm really, like, slowed down. But, let's watch this car crash compilation, Basically, I'm learning, learning what not to do, because these people, they don't know what they're doing. But, I might make this into like a series. I might not. Depends on how I like the video. Let's get straight. That was trash. The DASHCAM. My dad got a DASHCam. Yo, didn't even show us. The quality's bad, I know. It was a hit and run. They fighting? Yo. Oh, I've seen that before. Cause he's looking to see if a car is coming. So he's like this driving. But like my instructor said, look. Yo. Oh yeah, I know. We had a baby in the car too. Yeah, that happens so many times. Like, I be driving, they get over, and I'm about to pass them, they come back. Like, don't even make sense. It make me mad. But I don't crash though, cause like, I'm not a draw. I almost crashed though. My mom and dad see this, I'm playing around. Never. They kept going. Oh, they kept going. Bro, that car beat. This is like a truck. I cannot lie. Hey, yo. I hope they okay. Did anybody stop? Don't do it. I know what they about to do. You can't be doing that in front of trucks because they cannot stop. And it's crazy. I be doing the same thing. Like,
at American Public University, we believe in reality, not just dreams. Because achievements and empowerment are a reality for nearly 100,000 graduates. American Public University. Online classes start every month.
baby alright? Is the baby alright? Is the baby alright?
Fucking piece of shitballs.
Bit of a heat wave in store next couple days in the area.
Okay.
We'll be back into the tunes in minutes. Tom Petty is coming up next.
You're listening to DASHCAM on FM 96.
Fuck you. Holy shit!
Manual recording will now start.
Graphics store that I fried up, like what the hell? And then that's it. Like I never broke my shit here. Dumb. Fuck.
Fucking idiot.
What happened?
You even look
Don't overpay for Adidas. Wikibuy can save you money. It's a browser.
Ah!
364-6285, New Hampshire.
State Police 911. This loud's recorded. Where is your emergency?
My emergency was on Route 2 in Leominster. I was rear-ended and the person is running away. I'm currently chasing him.
Can you see a license plate?
I'm trying to get close enough. I've got a dash cam that recorded the impact and I read off the license plate on the dash cam. This guy is...
You want to pull over and I can get you some help?
Yeah, I can if you want me to.
Where are you? Well, where did the accident...
It happened just east of Leominster and on Route 2 eastbound.
What exit? You know?
I don't know. I'm kind of shaken up right now.
Are you hurt?
What?
Are you hurt?
It feels like I got some neck strain, but that's about it.
You want an ambulance?
No, don't need an ambulance.
Where are you now?
I couldn't tell you at the moment. It seems like I'm heading north.
So did you get off Route 2?
Yes, I got off Route 2.
Okay,
license number.
There, but if you're going to want to file a report, you're going to have to stop.
License number 364-6285, New Hampshire. Did you get that?
364-6285?
364-6285.